How to kill a car battery. A car battery is a crucial component that powers your vehicle's electrical systems, and maintaining it is essential for ensuring your car runs smoothly. However, many drivers unknowingly make mistakes that can significantly reduce the lifespan of their car batteries. In this video, we'll explore the most common ways people unintentionally kill their car batteries and how you can avoid these pitfalls. 1. Leaving lights and accessories on. One of the most common ways to drain a car battery is by leaving the headlights, interior lights, or other electrical accessories on when the car is not running. Modern vehicles often have warning systems to alert you if lights are left on, but it's easy to overlook. Even a small interior light left on overnight can drain enough power to prevent your car from starting the next day. Make it a habit to check that all lights and accessories are off before exiting your vehicle. Consider installing a battery monitor that can alert you to any power drains when the engine is off. Frequent short trips. If you regularly take short trips, your car battery might not be getting the charge it needs. When you start your car, the battery provides a significant amount of power to the starter, and the alternator recharges it as you drive. However, if your trips are too short, the alternator may not have enough time to fully recharge the battery, leading to a gradual depletion over time. If possible, take your car on longer drives regularly to allow the battery to fully recharge. Alternatively, you can use a battery charger to maintain the charge if your driving habits primarily involve short trips. Faulty charging system. A malfunctioning alternator or voltage regulator can lead to an undercharged or overcharged battery. An undercharged battery won't have enough power to start your car, while an overcharged battery can overheat and be damaged. Regularly inspect your car's charging system during routine maintenance. If you notice your battery frequently dying or the car struggling to start, have a professional check the alternator and voltage regulator. For extreme weather conditions. Car batteries are particularly sensitive to extreme temperatures. In cold weather, the battery's chemical reactions slow down, reducing its ability to hold a charge. Conversely, excessive heat can cause the battery fluid to evaporate, leading to internal damage. In extreme cold, keep your car in a garage or use a battery warmer. During hot weather, try to park in the shade to avoid overheating the battery. Conclusion. Maintaining a car battery is relatively straightforward, but it requires awareness and attention to detail. By avoiding common mistakes like leaving lights on, neglecting maintenance, or ignoring warning signs, you can extend the life of your battery and avoid the inconvenience of a dead car at the worst possible time.